Elnazar Akhmataliev of Kyrgyzstan now in the red against Kwon-Jin Kim of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Akhmataliev qualified by winning his semi-final for Tokyo 3 years ago now, but he had to do it from 8-0 down. It was a stunning comeback. He pinned Ilyas Belbalatov of Uzbekistan to do so. Are we in for similar fireworks in this one? Kim-Jin Kim, Kwon-Jin Kim of Korea has had a good route through as well. Beat Umidjon Jalolov, former under-20 and cadet world champion, 5-2 from Uzbekistan in the last round. And as ever, Kim will carry this air of the unknown about him into this competition. Akhmataliev will be trying to work him out in this first round as much as anything.
Akhmataliev, as usual, his approach right at the beginning takes his time a little, trying figures his opponent out, as we saw in the quarterfinal. Did go behind 6-7-0, I believe, and pulled it back and completely outshot his opponent. So being the active a wrestler now, putting his opponent on the activity time.
Yeah, you're quite right, George. Came from 6-0 down to win 12-6. This is the right reaction from Kim to being put on the clock, but is he going to score off it?
Nice slide by attempt there from Akhmataliev, but Kim takes the leg. Akhmataliev rubber legs out. Managed to slip away from the grasps of Kim there. He's very tricky, Akhmataliev. You've seen it in his quarterfinal match. He's got those little tricks in his toolbox that he just pulls out from time to time.
Here we go, Akhmataliev. Has to rethink it. Twisting and bending his way out of trouble in the end.
Wasn't really needed there from Akhmataliev. He was out of the position, kind of just give his leg again to say, yeah, grab it and let's see, let's wrestle from here.
And Kim given the 2 towards the end of that, so he will lead 2-1. At the last 3 World Championships, this man, Akhmataliev, rather than Kim, has finished 5th, 3rd and 2nd. Delivered strong performances at the season's most important encounter in all 3 of the last seasons, so he times it well. But 2-1 down here.
Akhmataliev with great forward pressure, keeping the tempo going. very intelligently done there. Kim was on his knees, tried to play it smart and tricky and go out for a grounded opponent. Akhmataliev just managed to rip him up, try and rip him up onto his feet and then pushed him out. Great work. Still behind though due to criteria with the 2-1s instead of Kim's 2-point maneuver. But again, the forward pressure continues.
Kim on for another passivity here. Second of the contest. Akhmataliev's forward pressure telling in multiple ways now. Akhmataliev drives for another. For 2 step-out points, 2 points for passivity. Kim has twisted his left foot.
Well, he does have that ankle taped up. You can see tape hanging from his shoe, so that definitely was something that was bothering him before the match, otherwise he wouldn't have that tape there. It's always good to get a little bit of a breather if you are tired, but somebody like Kim is not going to use excuses, should I say.
So Kim is gingerly back to position. How much of a problem will that ankle remain for him? 10 seconds left on this activity clock, or another point's coming for Akhmataliev. Looking to close the door on this encounter. Akhmataliev with more points.
Akhmataliev's going to try and lift him out of bounds again. Will get the 2 on the edge. Beautiful work. Lifts him up, goes round the back. Referees are just going to have a little chat now. Try and decide what they think the points was. So the 2 will be removed and he will give a 1 point, and they will say he already stepped out before he went behind, which, looking at the replay, is the right decision.
So 5-2 for Akhmataliev. But Kim's powers seemingly waning.
Akhmataliev doing a great job here, just keeping him tied up, keeping him controlled, not giving him any chance to try and shoot in on those legs. Great work again with this front headlock position. Needs to just keep him close to him with that head tucked underneath his chest. He can't allow that head to go to the outside, because that gives Kim an opportunity to duck under and take in those legs.
Akhmataliev has to be quicker, and goodness me, isn't he just? To step out of that, he does give away a point still. Foot was out of bounds. So Kim is up to 3. And that gives him half a chance here. Remember, he has the criteria if he can level this up, because we're all equal on takedowns and 2 points. But he will have scored last. But what's left? Nothing's left. Kyrgyzstan 2 from 2 for tickets to Paris. And this one won by Ernazar Akhmataliev. A little bit less dramatic than 3 years ago.